Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's Taurus card reading. As always, make sure to apply what applies to you and discard what doesn't. Now with that being said, let's get started. You may take this time to meditate, inhale and exhale 7 times. Now, I will begin by shuffling the cards. Alright, so first up we have the Hierophant, followed up by Page of Wands. Last but not least, we have the Empress. So for the Hierophant, this is a reminder for you to seek guidance through a mentor, someone who is in the position that you want to be in. Talk to them, see how they got there, see what obstacles they had to overcome, and overall learn from them. And if you're able to, ask for mentorship. As for the Page of Wands, this card represents a message. Someone is going to bring you a message, some form of information, knowledge that you previously did not know that is going to change you. Ultimately, depending on how you use this information, will determine whether this is positive or negative. As for the Empress, this card reminds you to ground yourself and to really have a vision for what you want and to start having the discipline to work towards it. It's also a good card because it reminds you to have a good grasp of your emotions and master them. Sometimes it's really hard to hold back, but think before you say and before you act. Now with that being said, let's draw 3 more cards. So next up we have Temperance. We have the 5 of Swords. And then we have the 10 of Pentacles. So for Temperance, this card means balance, and it symbolizes how in this current time you need to seek balance in your life. And then it also means some form of divine guidance that you will be receiving. So pay attention to your dreams, start writing them down, start paying attention through synchronicities on your day-to-day basis, and also reminds you to trust your intuition. As for the 5 of Swords, this card represents your mind, and it seems to me that you're still holding some form of negative energy, negative experiences from the past. You must make sure to let these things go, let all this negative energy go, so that you don't have to carry it anymore. And so you can start carrying all the good, positive experiences that you're going to have. It's also a reminder to start healing wounds from the past and start forgiving people for the things that they've done. As for the 10 of Pentacles, this card is really good. It symbolizes abundance in the physical world and material world. So this means that if you have an idea, follow through with it and keep being persistent about it. Because this business idea, this idea that's going to help you out, will manifest itself if you keep working towards it. Now, what we have to remember is failure is good, because if we fail, we will ultimately get up and learn from our mistakes. But what isn't good is not trying, because if we don't try, we stay in the same place and we don't learn anything from it. Now, with that being said, I wish you the best of luck. Now, this has been the end of this reading. If it resonated with you, make sure to leave a like and let me know on the comments down below. And as always, make sure to subscribe, as it shows me your support and it helps me out a lot. Thank you. See you next time.